Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox Lenovo V50t Gen 2 Tower Model 11 generation Intel desktop computer. It is i5 11 generation 2.6 GHz and the RAM DDR4 8GB and can be upgraded till 64GB. Intel 750 UHD Graphics inbuilt, and the storage support up to 2 drives, one drive 3.5 HDD and one drive M2 SSD. This can be upgraded 3.5 HDD up to 2 DB and M2 can be upgraded till 1 TB. And this PC I fixed 250 GB M2 Nvme and 1 TB HDD as per my request. And also it's having very slim DVD burner, SATA 9mm slim, and onboard Ethernet, Gigabit Ethernet, Realtek RJ45. And the front ports, there is two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports and two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and headphone port, microphone port, and optional one card reader. And also in the back side you can see four USB ports 2.0 and one VGA, one HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4 and one serial port and one RJ45 internet port and one line in port. And also you can see on the description full data sheet. I'll be attached. I'll be add the link for the full data sheet in this PC. And see the video. Hope you enjoy with this one. And this computer is good for the office users and the home users and the students. Hope you enjoy with this video and get some idea about this computer. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment. Thank you very much.